Happy Sunday! Good morning from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have amazing Sunday morning here. Warm, 20 degrees. Expecting 25 today. Temperature of water here today 22 degrees. So I'll show you the weather. But this video is about the weather. So long shadows, check this out. Charger batteries with our sun. There we are again, Mirador La Paz. We have a group of Feliz Navidad ladies. Feliz Navidad ladies. Hola, qué bonito, me encanta. Playa de Martianes. So happy Sunday, best wishes from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. To all of you, whenever you are. Show you Teide, still without snow, still waiting for the first day. So the group is called Por mí no hay problemas. There's no problem for me or something like that. Encantado. Buen día. Feliz domingo. Y Feliz Navidad.